Today we'll be teaching you how to do the brushing when you have braces on. Okay, so it's a little bit more tricky. Okay, more areas to focus on. First, we want to still brush the gum line. Okay, so make sure that you still have 45 degrees tilted up. Okay, in towards the gums. Go in a circular motion for every tooth, for every area. Okay, and then we also want to brush the top of the brackets. Okay, we also want to brush the top of the brackets. For teeth that are out of alignment, what we want to do is to focus on the area and also brush the tooth around the tooth. We don't want to miss it.